That is just... Good boy!
He's awesome. Chewy! Ah.
Chewy, sweetie. Hi. Yeah, you on video camera.
Chewy. He should be like a model for like
I know, so nice.
dogs or...
Oh, Jennifer been, when she puppy, that she been sitting in there making.
I sent
Still
in one of my
all
dogs
kinds
a
of stuff.
picture a few times. I mean, he is just like the perfect.
Yeah.
He is the
He's like, but I'm gonna eat the whole cake. Can I put my whole face in it?
So good. He just lets you take pictures.
He's so used to it. Since he was a pup, I'm like, put on the shirt and sit there and stay still.
Chewy.
Hi, sweetie. Hi. You are.
Hi, Oliver.
Oliver, where's my chair? Should we let the dogs
Okay.
sit on the chairs?
Yeah, get a couple of chairs on there. Let them sit down.
Ginny, can you sit on the
Turn,
chair?
you turn around. Because I have to face the cake, you know.
Well, I was thinking if you want to take them pictures in front of everything.
Sit.
See how well
Jen,
Oliver...
can you sit? Jen, sit.
Oliver,
Sit. Wait.
and you get to be just like Chewy and sit on a chair.
Sit. Wait. There you go. Sit.
Chewy's like, but my cake is that way.
And she's like, I want to sit next to
I know.
Chewy.
She's like...
Sit.
Oliver, you're looking at the wrong thing.
Okay. There we go. All right. Sit. No, Jen.
Oliver.
Jen.
Chewy!
My dad was like...
How long, when you going to cut it?
Oh, I'm gonna do it. Vernon's in the middle of finishing up Rio's pictures and then...
I don't want these, my thing run down.
Only Chewy's the well-behaved one.
Oh, he's very patient. Yesterday, on Thursday, Friday, Thursday. Friday the 13th, that's his birthday. We have a cake. He just sitting there like that.
Oh, so cute. Do you want to sit next to Chewy? Sit. Stay. Sit. Stay.
You want to turn the chair around or you want to something like that?
Well, I was just thinking then the dogs can all chill there and you can see all the stuff.
Stay there. Stay. Lulu, stay. Oh, man. Why do you still have that in your mouth?
Does he have a treat in his mouth?
Yeah, he has a balloon in his mouth.
Oh! One of the
Stay
balloons.
there.
Chewy does the same thing because it smells like chicken bouillon, so he's like, I'm not giving it up. It smells so good.
He doesn't want to drop it because he's afraid somebody else might take it. Stay there.
Oh, I have to have it.
That's so
Oh.
Oliver. Another chair here.
Oh, how cute. Chewy. Baby.
Sit for a second.
Oh, how cute.
Stay there.
Hey, Chewy, sit down. Let Clyde in, Chewy. Here.
Thank you.
I like it.
Can't we braid it yourself?
That's why you're all sitting there like that. So you must have You should see it. Hi. Really? You want to
Looks
share a
crazy.
seat?
Looks crazy.
Come here, taking credit for it.
Hey, Chewy.
Vacation was
Hi, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, Mama Me. Oh, look over here. All four of them.
Iris, stay! Iris, stay!
Yeah, baby. Come on. Look at me. Baby. Oh, hi, Chewy. Oh, look at.
Stay right there, boy.
Look at. Chewy, stay. Chewy. Oh.
Chewy's like, pull it, left. Stay there, Lulu.
Iris, stay!
Stay. Stay.
Oh, one more time.
Sit. Sit.
Oh, the birthday boy
Mama.
got down.
Okay.
Hey, Rio.
Okay, we'll turn the chair around and take a picture. I'm gonna cut the cake.
Bye.
Yeah.
All right, you ready to do the cake?
Yeah.
Rio,
Go.
So hard to
Rio.
Hey, hi,
I can't see
baby.
Bullet.
Oh, you good kid right there. Oh.
Bullet. Crazy for catching up.
Good, you turn Chewy around.
making me tired.
I mean, turn the chair around. Oh, okay. Oh, that's good. She's gonna cut.
Okay. Okay, no looking yet. Oh.
Can we sing happy birthday?
Yeah. Okay, so
Okay.
ready?
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chewy. Happy birthday to you. Okay. I'm gonna cut the cake.
She's like, I'm tired of the hat.
So there are human cupcakes for everyone, and I'll give out a slice of cake for every dog, and then you can take it home or whatnot. Before you leave, please feel free to take home some balloon animals and fill up your treat bags. Chewy's got too many treats at home. And
Yeah, she gets so
take
many
everything home.
shoes.
What's the good name?
Anytime, I would say probably camera.
Oh, I'm sorry, Oliver. I'm sorry. Oliver's so soft. Picture of you, Chewy. Oh. Here, why don't you sit there by the cake and I'll get your picture.
Oh, before I cut into it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready?
I'm all hot and sweaty too.
Chewy! Oh, hi, baby. Oh, you. Look,
Oh, my God,
Look at
look.
Grandma. Oh, that's beautiful.
Really good.
Oh, he kisses Mama. Ah, okay. Oh, that's an
And that's
excellent
excellent.
picture.
Jennifer, I'll put that on your face.
Look at that picture. Oh my
At
God.
least I'm not all hot and sweaty like I feel.
Adorable.
Okay.
Adorable.
You don't get, you want Chewy get in there when you cut up?
Oh, okay.
Where's
Where'd you
Chewy?
go?
We're taking a treat. He said, Mom, you're taking too long.
Chewy, do you want some cake?
It's like I'm starving.
He's like, whoa.
I'm not going over there.
Oh yeah, then that's probably. Which is fine for most applications, but
Because Anthony said that with our camera, he said we should be able to get 7 frames before he goes.
Mom, should I save the toppings?
yeah.
And if
Yeah. Oh, here you are, Chewy. Chewy.
they're finally,
Come on, baby.
okay, we're ready.
Oh, yeah.
The card is probably too small. Back when I was shooting the Nintendo, which was way back in.
Off the chair. Come on, jump.
I'll save those.
Stop getting treats, okay?
Gosh, you really did a lot of marbling on this. Hey, Chewy.
Okay, go ahead, cut.
Yeah.
Cut the cake. Hey.
It's a dog cake. Oh, sorry, I know.
Okay, go ahead.
Chewy's like, oh my gosh, I want some. So how many dogs do we have? I guess I'll just do it by ear.
Yeah.
You know?
Because it's
I'll do a slice. About 12.
About a dozen. Look at Oliver, you're so excited now, you don't even know what it is.
He's like, I just smell cake. That's cute. And Chewy, are you already eating it?
Chewy's like, I might help myself.
okay.
Here. Some cake.
He's really interested in his cake. All right.
Oh, you get some cake.
Want to sample your wedding cake? What you got okay. You're gonna go now.
Oh, can he give one and let him eat? I can take some pictures. I mean, some, yeah,
We
go
went to
down.
another friend's
They're little tiny
Friday
things.
night.
Yeah.
And
He's had so much today during the.
And so she got this human cake.
I'll put it down.
No. No. Chewy. You want some?
Oh,
Save some. Seriously, Clyde. I
Chewy.
hope you don't mind Clyde and Chewy are sharing.
Clyde.
Clyde.
No.
Okay, I'm stop video. Okay.
Okay, yeah.